Hey everybody, this is Brian, and we're continuing our conversation of the QTreeWidget. Sorry, I have to split this up in a couple different videos because YouTube likes to make videos small. But so if you haven't watched Qt21 QTreeWidget, go watch it because we're using the exact same code. And just to show you, let's run this. And there's our hello world with our items. And we notice how in the other tutorial we didn't add any functionality to the click me button. That's what we're going to do this tutorial. So just go to slot, and then you can say UI tree widget, and you guessed it, current item. And let's say set background color. And notice how you can do the column. We're going to say column 0, we're going to say Qt red. And let's actually Qt blue. Save your work, run it. And maybe if this thing ever compiles, I think I got a virus scan going in the background. Alright. So when you select an item and click me, you notice how it does that. Now, obviously I made a boo-boo. Let's go back into our code here. That should be 1. Compile that again. This thing should work this time. Sorry about that. There we go. So you can control the cells individually. It's very important that you understand the concept when working with the QTreeWidget with columns and rows. See how that selection going across, that's a row, and going up and down are columns. It allows you to take tabular data, column data, and collapse it. That's a feature you don't see in a lot of frameworks, but Qt gives it to you at no cost. Now, one thing we haven't covered is how to actually set the column headers. I mean, it would be nice instead of just 0, 1, we could actually show some text up there. So the way you set those header labels is very, very simple. Let's actually do this up in the very beginning of this here. Notice how we got our set column count 2. What we're going to do is say UI tree, and then we're going to say set. And you can do them individually through set header label, and we're just going to do that. Say call A, and let's run this. And you notice how it says call A now instead of 1. And each time you call that, it'll do the next one, the next, and the next. The somewhat easier way is if you say UI tree widget set header labels, and notice the plural labels. And this one takes a Q string list, so we'll say Q string list. We're just going to make one, and then you can just input those in there. We'll say 1. Very simple, very easy to work with. Compile and run it, and if everything goes according to plan, you now have your headers. So that's it for the tree view. Feel free to shoot me any questions you got. I've been fairly busy with work and kid and girlfriend and all that, but I'll try to get you emails in a timely fashion. This is Brian. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video educational and entertaining, and stay tuned.